Zen's Mowers here, March 12, 2018. We got us another project. Picked this up Sunday, which was yesterday. Pretty nice blue mini bike here. Paint's rough. I've been looking into this. The thing I like about this, got those suspension springs and that swing arm. More suspension up here. We have powering this bike a 2-horse Briggs & Stratton flathead motor. I don't know when this motor was made because I have not checked the date. Now, I had this engine running, but it doesn't want to run in idle. Just this, and I tried to pull this kill wire to shut it. Oh, this is the spark plug wire. Tried to pull this, and obviously that doesn't work because you get zapped. Then there's another. I did locate the kill wire to this motor. Now I'm going to look into wiring up a switch. Right, for now, this spring and this bicycle brake cable here is my throttle linkage, but that's not hooked up right now because I'm still in the process of figuring this out. This, the old chain. I tried to test ride this today like I wanted to, but this chain's not long enough, so there it is. But I'll give you guys a quick cold start. Let this motor run for maybe a minute or two. And it's got a cheap air hat on there. Around the bike. Hold on. This motor doesn't want to cooperate with me on this cold day. These motors don't like to cooperate on cold days. There's my throttle. Show you the motor again once more. This is the chain sprocket. Now, another thing is I didn't have brakes because of the cable. Got the hardware over here. So the throttle line is obviously there. But it doesn't shut this off. So yeah, this is it for now for the mini bike that I just got. I'll probably be getting back on this Bohlins trimmer soon. The BL110, my all-time favorite from Lowe's. And there's some more videos coming very soon, so just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day.